So the tornado siren just went off. And we discovered Wednesday that it's right here on us. Somewhere over there, I don't know where. But Luke just texted and said he heard that there was a tornado that might be touching down in Mayflower, which is the direction I'm pointing south. But we're under tornado watch until 11 o'clock. And I hope that siren don't stay on till 11 o'clock. But the lightning's all around us in a circle. There, they turned it off. So, we made an offer on a house the day before yesterday, and I thought we made a pretty good offer. And we got home and got thinking about it, and then we discussed it once before and it slipped our mind. But the house we bid on was built in a rebuild zone from the last tornado that touched down between Mayflower and Bologna. And we said, well, we made an offer on a house in a rebuild tornado zone. But they didn't accept our offer, so we're kind of thankful for that now. I don't know if that had been cause enough to back out after you make your offer. But if there's that's Tornado Alley, and there's been several that have gone through there, and that's kind of the path that the map's showing tonight. But it's moved away from where I'm at, so it's headed towards Luke. I better give him a call.